Okay, children, let us move towards your question number 26. So, till now we are discussed up to question number 25, that is division. So, next we'll shift towards question number 26. From question number 26, you will find word problems. Word problems, as I said, word problems means you should read carefully and make it a first step. That is important. So here question is, the cost of 1 liter of milk is rupees 42 is to 3 by 5. Find the cost of 22 is to 1 by 2 liter of milk. See, cost of 1 liter is given. Cost of 1 liter milk. Let me write this. Cost of 1 liter milk is rupees 42 is to 3 by 5. This is given. And the question is what? Find the cost of 12.5 liter milk. That is, we should find the cost of 12 is to 1 by 2 liter of milk. This is, we have to find out how much cost. So such type of questions are called actually unitary method. Unitary method type of questions these are. In unitary method we will do one thing, that is, in the second step whatever we wrote, this corner into this corner and divided by this first one. Always we will do like this, right? Okay, let us start. 12 into half liter of milk into, so 42 is to 3 by 5. This is actually question of multiplication, but to know how it is to be multiplied or divide, so we should write in this way, unitary method. In unitary method, the cost and cost should be there in one side, and amount and amount, same unit should be there in the same side. Same units, cost and cost are same unit one side, and the rupees and rupees same unit one side. The important is to write in the unitary method is same units should be written in the same side. This side cost and this side rupees. Second step is what? This corner multiplied to the second corner and divides first corner. Divides one, which I have not written because divide by 1 is the number itself. That's why divide by 1 is not mentioned. So you know very well, children, when you got mixed fractions, your first step is to convert improper fractions. So convert into improper fractions. 12 2s are 24 plus 1, 25 by 2 into 42 5s are 210. 42 5s are 210. 210 plus 3 is 213 divided by 5. So after converting into improper fractions, as you are seeing multiplication sign, so before directly multiplying, we should cancel the numbers. So this 5 and 25 comes in under 5s table. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. Cancel. So now we should multiply 213 and 5 divided by 2 into 1. That is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. 5 into 213. We have to do 5 into 213. So let us do here 5, 213 into 5. 1065. So 1065 divided by 2. So this you divide it by 2 improper fraction. 2 5s are 10. Take this 6. 2 3s are 6. 0. Take 5. 5. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 1 is 5 minus 4 is 1. So this can be written in the mixed fraction as 532 is to 1 by 2. So what is this 532 is to 1 by 2? This is the rupees. What rupees? Cost of, this is cost of 12.5 liter of milk. So cost of 12.5 liter milk is rupees 532 is to 1 by 2. So children, now, okay children, let us see this question number 27. The cost of 1 liter of petrol is given. That is rupees 65 is to 3 by 4. Question is, find the cost of 36 liters of petrol. It is it's like previous question itself. So let us write it in the unitary method. How it is to be written in the unitary method? Cost of 1 liter of petrol. Cost of 1 liter of petrol is given. Rupees 65 is to 3 by 4. We should find out the cost of 36 liters of petrol. So cost of 36 liters of petrol, that we have to find out. This cost we don't know. Again written in the unitary method, see here, cost and cost same unit written one side, and rupees same units are written one side. As I said, this corner into second corner, third corner into second corner, divide by 1. If we write 1 divided by 1 or not, it is same only. So multiply 36 into 65 is to 3 by 4. So first step is what? Convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. 36 kept as it is. 65 fours are 260. 65 fours are 260. 260 plus 3. 263 by 4. 36 can be written as 36 by 1. So 36 and 4 cancel it by the table. Which table? Which table? 4 ones are 4 and 4 nines are 36. 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36. Now numerator numbers are 9 into 263. Denominators 1 into 1. 1 ones are 1 only. Just multiply 263 into 9. 9 is 27. So 2367. After multiplying, you will get 2367. 1 ones are 1. Divide by 1 if you write it, or not, one another same. Okay children, let us move towards the next question. Question number 28. The cost of 3.5 liter of, the cost of 3.5 liters. The cost of 3.5 meters of cloth is rupees 547 is to 3 by 4. Find the cost of 1 meter of cloth. Cost of 3.5 meter is given. If 547 is to 3 by 4, you should find out the cost of 1 meter. So again, I will write this in the form of unitary method. That is cost of 3.5 meters of cloth is given, that is rupees 574. So we should find out the cost of 1 meter. We should find out the cost of 1 meter of cloth. That we don't know. See children here, same units. Cost of 3.5 meters cloth is given. We should find out the cost of 1 meter cloth. As I said, unitary method, start from here. This into this. 1 into 547 is to 3 by 4. I said this is divided by, first corner always divides. In the previous two questions, here we have not written any number because it was 1. In question number 26 and 27, this number was 1. So divided by 1 is number itself. That's why this number was not written. Here we are writing because number is given. That is as simple as that. So 1 into any number is this number itself. 1 into any number is this number itself. So just convert this mixed fractions to improper fraction.